Welcome back. You're still tuned into Editor's Roundtable, the Diwali special. One of the big cues coming up is the general elections next year. So how exactly have markets historically performed ahead of such a big event? Just a couple of statistics from an Anand Rathi report. So India is likely to go to vote between April and May of 2024. Now, what exactly has been the change in terms of the equity markets 6 months prior to the polls? If you look at it, there have been double-digit returns all the way since 1999 to 2019. So, for example, in 1999, it was 30%, 2004, 19.5%, 2004 and 2014 and 2019, it was around 13%. Now, what exactly have the returns been for the equity markets? 12 months, which is during the election year, 6 months prior and 6 months post the general elections. We have, in fact, got a minimum of 10% returns in the past itself. 2019 was the minimum at around 11% if you track 20-year data. But we had, for example, 50% returns in 1999, 16% returns in 2004, 2009 was around 55% returns. So it has been handsome in terms of returns, and there's a likelihood that based on historical data, we could see some amount of an equity market rally ahead of the elections as well. Now, separately, how exactly have the markets done during the festive season, which is basically Diwali as well as Christmas, which is generally the Santa Claus rally? It comes during Q3 of the fiscal or the last 3 months of the year. Now, the average Nifty return, surprisingly, since the Nifty inception, which is in 1996, the March quarter was 0.4%, June quarter was around 3.9%, the December quarter was 5.7%. It beat returns in all 4 quarters. Quarterly performance for the last 10 years, similar gains in the December quarter for the festive season, 4.9% in the past 10 years as compared to, say, the June quarter at 4.5%, September quarter at around 3.8%. So all this tells you that maybe it is the festive cheer historically which will play out for the election, for the markets, and the elections might just be an opportunity for the equity markets.
Thanks very much.